In this video, I'll guide you through how to target landscapers with Facebook ads. If you're promoting a product, service, or software that is designed for landscaping professionals, Facebook ads can help you reach that audience more effectively. By creating a saved audience, you can build a group of potential customers once and then reuse that audience in future campaigns, saving time and keeping your targeting consistent. To get started, open Facebook Ads Manager and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Audiences. This section allows you to manage existing audiences and create new ones for future advertising campaigns. When the Audiences page opens, select the option to create a saved audience. This will allow you to build an audience specifically tailored to landscaping professionals. Begin by giving your audience a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to identify later. For example, you might name it based on the industry and location you're targeting. Next, choose the geographic area you want to focus on. If your offer only applies to a specific state, city, or region, enter that location. This helps ensure that your ads are shown to people in the areas most relevant to your business. You may also see an option that allows Facebook to expand your audience automatically. If you prefer to maintain tighter control over your targeting, disable that option before moving forward. Continue scrolling through the audience settings. You can adjust age, gender, and language preferences if they are relevant to your campaign. For many landscaping-related campaigns, these settings may remain broad. Further down, you'll likely encounter Advantage Plus audience targeting. Since Facebook increasingly uses artificial intelligence to expand audiences automatically, switch from Advantage Plus audience settings back to the original audience options if you want more manual control. Once you've done that, locate the Detailed Targeting section. This is where you'll add interests, demographics, and behaviors related to landscapers. Start entering terms such as landscaper, landscaping contractor, landscaping company, landscape design, garden design, and landscape architecture. As you add these related categories, Facebook will update the estimated audience size. Monitor the audience size as you build your targeting. If it becomes large enough for your campaign goals, you can stop adding additional interests. When you're satisfied with the audience you've created, click Create Saved Audience. After the audience is saved, it will appear in your audiences list. The next time you create a Facebook ad, simply select this saved audience during the ad setup process, allowing you to quickly target landscaping professionals without rebuilding your targeting settings from scratch.